Feeling the midweek scramble? Tired of unhealthy takeout ruling your weeknights? There's a simpler, healthier way. Quick meal prep. Let's unlock your energy and ditch the dinner stress in just a couple of hours. It's not about spending your entire Sunday in the kitchen. It's about smart, efficient prep that sets you up for success. Ready for the game plan? First, plan's simple. Choose 2 to 3 easy recipes you love. Think versatile basics. Maybe 1 grain, 1 or 2 proteins, and lots of colorful veggies. Don't overcomplicate. Second, shop smart. Stick to your list. Grab pre-chopped veggies if you're really short on time. Focus on fresh, whole ingredients. Third, batch cook basics. While quinoa or brown rice simmers, roast a big tray of mixed vegetables, like capsicum, zucchini, sweet potato. Grill or bake your chosen protein. Chicken breast, fish, or plant-based options like tofu or lentils work great. Fourth, assemble and store right. Once cooled, portion everything into airtight containers. Think versatile combos. Maybe quinoa, roasted veggies, and chicken for lunches, or use the roasted veggies in a wrap or salad later. Overnight oats or chia puddings are brilliant grab-and-go breakfasts. Mason jar salads stay fresh for days. The secret? Keep it simple, keep it colorful, and make things you genuinely enjoy eating. This isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. You've got this. Ready to reclaim your weeknights and fuel your body, right? Save this reel for easy reference. What's your favorite quick meal prep hack? Share it below.